Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, I am going to take questions on the topic averages, and these questions have been taken from CAT 2021 from all the sets. So let's start with the question number 1 that says onion is sold for 5 consecutive months at the rate of rupees 10, 20, 25, 25 and 50 per kg respectively. A family spends a fixed amount of money on onion for each of the first 3 months and then spends half that amount on onion for each of the next 2 months. The average expense for onion in rupees per kg for the family over these 5 months is closest to. Okay, so we have a situation like there are 5 different price of onion for 5 consecutive months. So I'm just writing here 10 and then 20, 25, 25 and 50. So this is the price per kg. This is price per kg for 5 different months. So this is month first, second, third, month fourth and month fifth. Okay, and what is given that family spends fixed amount of money on onion for each of the first 3 months. So here I am writing amount. For the first 3 months it has to be same, so I am just assuming it 100 for the first 3 months, and then spends half that amount on onion for each of the next 2 months. So for these months it is 50 and 50, half of 100, right? So with the help of this price per kg and amount, I can calculate the weight quantity in kg. So for the first month 100 by 10, so that means 10 kg was taken. 100 by 20 for the second 5 kg, for the third one 100 by 25, that is 4, and fourth month this is 2 and this is 1. So we got here weight of onion for each of the month, right? So now we can calculate the average on the basis of the formula, the standard formula that we already know. Average of expense of onion in rupee per kg for the family over these 5 months is equal to total amount spent. So I am just writing here total amount spent divided by total weight, right? So this you have to fill with the help of what we have just calculated. So total amount is 100, 200, 300 plus 100, that is 400, that is the total amount spent, and this divided by total weight 15 plus 4 19 plus 2 21 plus 1 22. So this is 400 by 22, or I can write 200 by 11. This comes out to be 18.18. So this is the average price per kg, obviously average price per kg. So this is the answer, 18.18 and closest to 18. So option 3 is correct. Let's take the next question. Suppose hospital A admitted 21 less COVID infected patient than hospital B and all eventually recovered. The sum of recovery days for patient in hospital A and B were 200 and 152 respectively. If the average recovery days for patients admitted in hospital A was 3 more than the average in hospital B, then the number of admitted in hospital A was. So what we have been given here, there are 2 hospitals A and B, and if we talk about the number of patients, number of admitted patient, then if hospital A has say X number, then B has 21 more. A admitted 21 less, so we can say B having X plus 21, right? Now the sum of recovery days. So here I am writing recovery days. So recovery days, it is given that for A this is 200 and for B this is 152. Okay, and one more thing is given, the average recovery days for patient in hospital A was 3 more. So the average recovery days. So if we say for B this is Y, then A has just 3 more, so Y plus 3, right? So this information is given, and we have to find that the number of admitted in hospital A. So this is very simple, but we can write that the average, if we talk about hospital A, then the average for hospital A is 200 divided by X, 200 recovery days divided by number of admitted. And if we talk about the same thing for hospital B, so that will be 152 and divided by X plus 21. And it is given that the average A for A is 3 more than B, so the difference, this difference is equal to 3. So now we have to solve this, and let's solve this. So this is x plus 21, and this will be 200 multiplied by x plus 21 minus 152x. So this will be equal to 3. Okay, so let's solve this further. So that will give me 200 x plus 4200 minus 152x is equal to 3, and this is multiplied by x square plus 21x, right? So further we can write by arranging the values, 16x plus 1400, right, and that can be equal to further this can be written as 48x plus 4200 is equal to, or rather I can divide this by 3. So this will give me x square plus 21x, and now I can write 16x plus 1400, so that is equal to x square plus 21x. So now we are going to have a quadratic equation, so that will be x square plus 5x minus 1400 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this equation. So the factor will be x plus 40 and x minus 35, that is equal to 0, and this gives me x is equal to 35. This is the positive value. So we got x, that means the number of admitted patients in hospital A, and the answer is 35. Let's take the next question. In a football tournament, a player has played a certain number of matches and 10 more matches are to be played. If he scores a total of 1 goal over the next 10 matches, his overall average will be 0.15 goals per match. On the other hand, if he scores a total of 2 goals over the next 10 matches, his overall average will be 0.2 goals per match. The number of matches he has played is. Okay, so matches played is given that certain number of matches he has played. So say x matches he has played, and to be played, I am writing to be played here. So to be played is 10, right? Okay, and now it is given that if he scores 1 goal, then average is this, and if he scores 2 goals, then average will be 0.2. So we will apply this in the average formula. So what we are getting here, that 0.15 when he scores 1 goal, right? So I can write, if he has already scored n goals in the earlier matches, So if he is carrying one more goal, so n plus 1 goal divided by total number of matches played, which is x plus 10, because 10 matches has to be played. So we will get here one equation, n plus 1 divided by x plus 10. Now in the second situation, if he is scoring when he, on the other hand, if he score 2 goal, okay, so in that case this is the average 0.2. so 0.20 is average when he is scoring n goal earlier plus 2 more goals, and the number of matches is x plus 10, right? So this the same thing we have to understand, this simple thing. And obviously if you divide one by second, the first equation by the second one, it will give you 3 by 4 is equal to n plus 1 divided by n plus 2. So that will give me 3n plus 6 is equal to 4n plus 4, or I get here n is equal to 2, right? So that means he has made 2 goals earlier, n is equal to 2, and what has been asked, the number of matches he played. So number of matches you can find from any of the equation. So I am just putting this value of n to equation number 1, and I will get x plus 10 is equal to, I am putting this here, x plus 10 is equal to n plus 1 divided by 0.15. So that is 3 divided by 0.15, and this is 20. This is 20. X plus 10 is equal to 20, or I can write x is equal to 20 minus 10, that is 10. So this is the answer. The number of matches he has played earlier, number of matches played is 10. No option is given, so 10 is the answer. Let's take the next question. The arithmetic mean of scores of 25 students in an examination is 50. 5 of these students top the examination with the same score. If the score of the other students are distinct integers and the lowest being 30, then the maximum possible score of the toppers is, right? So we can find the total score because the arithmetic mean is given. So first I am writing here total score of all the 25 students. So that is 50 multiplied by 25, that is 1250. So this is the total score, right? And now we know that 5 students topped the exam and they got the same score. So that means 20 are remaining, and the lowest of these 20 start with 30. So I'm just writing here other than toppers, the marks are starting with 30. So 30, 31, 32, and it will go till 49, right? So now we have to sum of this from 30 to 49. So sum of marks of these 20 students, So you can do it in this way. I can just write 30 plus 49 divided by 2 multiplied by 20. I got here average multiplied by number of students. So this will be the sum of 20 students marks. So this will give me 10 multiplied by, this is 9, 79 multiplied by 10. So this is 790, right? So now I got the sum of the marks obtained by 20 students. So the marks of toppers marks, which are 5 toppers, I am just writing in bracket. So that is 1250 minus 790. So this come out to be 460. So 5 topper has got 460 marks. So the marks of the topper is 460 divided by 5, that is 92. So 92 is the marks of the topper. No option is given, and this is the correct answer. So in this way, I have solved all the questions asked on the topic average from CAT 21. Share and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more aptitude questions.